You have a Yamaha MT-09 SP and you want to hear what it sounds like stock versus the Yoshimura AT2 exhaust with the 20K dB killer. We're going to put that together. Here's the before with the stock MT-09 SP 2026. All right, I know it's not a very scientific way to measure things. Like I have a dB meter, but it's just on my phone. It's just an app, but it should give you an idea of how loud it is. All right, so we're done with the exhaust. Now the only thing left to do that I need as far as like performance goes is to get the ECU reprogrammed. So I'm gonna go with V-Cycle Nut, I think is his name, V-Cycle Nut. And he's gonna do the ECU reprogramming. So I need to take the bike apart, pull it out, mail it to him. He's gonna flash it and send it back. So that is the plan. And then I'll be done with performance mods. It's not as loud as a Grom, I don't think. I just turned on the Grom to check. I don't think it's as loud as a Grom at idle, but when you give it a good go, it sounds amazing. It sounds really good. I'm still gonna wear ear protection because that's just the way I roll. I got ear protection, and yeah, I'm super pleased with the way it sounds. I think it sounds amazing. And that's really what I wanted. I didn't do the exhaust and I didn't do the full exhaust for the performance of it. I could care less if it adds, I don't know, 10 to 15 horsepower. What I care about, the reason why I did the exhaust is I wanted the sound. So I love the exhaust sound on a motorcycle, within reason, right? And it makes the bike sound so cool, so good. It sounds like so grumbly and awesome and throaty. I don't know. I just like the way it sounds. It's like what I like to do to all my bikes. I like to make them sound good. Now that the exhaust is installed, let's see what it sounds like on the road. Let's go on a quick little spin. Getting close to sunset. People fishing, people chilling. Wow, there's a lot of campers in here. Wow. That quick shifter is another thing, man. It's on another level. It's crazy. so good. Look at that sunset, it's beautiful. It's a freaking awesome sunset. All right, that was cool. Again, I'm super stoked with the sound. And if you want to continue to see the journey of this bike, ownership of an MT-09 SP, what it's like to buy one and live with it and actually modify it, and you know, everything that I'm showing. You enjoyed the video, hit subscribe, like, and I'll see you in this video next. I think you're gonna dig it. I'll see you over there.